Gang? It's Shiesty Grows 420, and I'm back with another video. And in today's episode, we will be going over Harvest Day. So if you're new and it's your first time stopping by the channel, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and go ahead and join the game. I will be dropping a video every Tuesday, and I also drop a short every Thursday. So if you haven't been keeping up with the grow, we're looking at the Cali Connection grow, the outdoor grow from 2025, part 2. Now, I know the plants look a little small. After doing a review of the plants, I came out and I definitely lost a lot of plant matter due to bud rot. And that is the battle with growing outside. You definitely will have to fight the bud rot, the mold, the bugs, and the weather. But overall, we still did pretty well. Right now, we're looking at the Chem91SkunkVa. This is the short pheno. And as you can see, even through the struggle, she still managed to produce some very nice flowers. And she almost went full purple. So I could say Cali Connection speaks for itself. Now, we're looking at the more taller pheno. Now, she didn't go purple, but as you can see, gang, the buds definitely do not look that bad as well. For an outdoor grow, these buds did very, very well. And like I stated before, they had minimal support. No TLC was given. So with that being said, I think we still came out to the good. Even though we lost a lot of bud to bud rot, and probably me overthinking a lot of the bud, but I don't want to smoke anything that looks shady. So if it looks shady, it has to go. And most of this bud probably will end up in the wash. So next up, we got the Larry OG from Cali Connection as well. And as you can see, the buds did not go purple like the Chem91, but we still ended up with some nice quality. And gang, I still will over these buds once more or maybe twice more and make sure I didn't miss anything that will have bud rot on it, because there's no point of keeping it. It has to go. But this Larry OG, it definitely turned out nice, and these flowers smell amazing. Like I said, gang, even through the struggles, these plants did very well. I'm not disappointed in this grow. North Atlantic ran a special on Cali Connection. 6 packs of seeds were $20. So these 2 plants that I grew came out of 2 6-packs was $40. I think we definitely have $40 worth of bud here. So there's no way I could ever be upset with this grow. And look at how Larry came through, man. Larry shines. Once again, look at old Larry coming through in the clutch. For 3 score. But for real, gang, this Larry OG is definitely looking like a winner, smelling like a winner, and what we have left, I think it's a win. For $20 for a 6-pack of seeds, how could you be mad? And as you can see, gang, look at all the bud that we got laid out, that I done chopped down and just, laying on the ground. We can't do nothing with it. But hey, you win some, you lose some, but we're not keeping none of that. Even though it looked good, it's not good, gang. Let it go. Let it go. But like I said, gang, sunlight is free. Why not grow some tree? So just a quick rundown. In veg, we did 5 milliliters of Maxi Grow per gallon. And we did 5 milliliters of silica, 5 milliliters of Cali Magic per gallon once a week. When they came into flower, early flower, we did half and half, Maxi Grow, Maxi Bloom. And we still stuck with the same amount of silica and Cali Magic once per week. But when we got into full-fledged flower, we switched it up and only did Maxi Bloom and added in the liquid Cool Bloom at 5 milliliters per gallon. Until the end of flower, we just did plain old tap water. And we rolled it out, gang, and we made it to Harvest Day. But also, if you didn't check my part 1 of my outdoor grow, I had an 818 headband that I left outside, and I also harvested around the same time that I did these plants, and I want to share that with you guys as well. So let's check it out. As you guys can see, it's currently nighttime or coming into night. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the flash, and I'm gonna let you guys check out this 818 headband that was left to finish alone, because it wasn't quite ready when I chopped down my plants that I had before. So let's go ahead and check out this 818 headband by Cali Connection as well. And I left it outside maybe, I would say, about 3 more weeks compared to when I chopped down my plants previously, because it still had a lot of white hairs, and it definitely did not look like it was ready. So I left it out there for a little minute to finish up, and just kept hitting it with water, and fleshed it out very well. So without further ado, let's take a look at the last plant standing, the 818 headband by Cali Connection. Now, if she wasn't done, she's definitely finished now. It's last call for alcohol. And after a 2 to 3 week flush, I think she has definitely spent her wheels. And she will be coming down today with the other plants. And the smell coming off of her is very nice. Kind of gassy. You get a little bit of berries, a little bit of funk, but mostly gas. And I think she definitely grew to her full potential. And for these plants to be in a 5-gallon bucket the whole summer, I think these plants did very well. Giving you guys some close-up looks of her before I chop her down. Definitely feel free to comment down below and let me know, have you ever grown Cali Connection? And if you have you grown it outside? And how was your experience with Cali Connection outside? Let me know in the comment section. But honestly, gang, as you can see, these spearheaded buds look amazing on this plant. And you know me, gang, I'm still gonna do a once over and make sure I did not miss any bud rot that may be left behind. And as you can see, I think we have a piece. It has to go. It definitely has to go. But like I said, gang, I'm definitely gonna do a once over and make sure I didn't miss anything on this 818 headband. But for the most part, I think all 5 of these plants did very well outside, and it's a nice grow. So now the decision has to be made. Do you dry it for smoking, or do you just freeze it to make hash on another day? But honestly, gang, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of both. I will dry some, but majority of this outdoor grow will be frozen fresh. And it's gonna make some nice ice water hash on a later date. Definitely comment down below and let me know, what do you think of this grow, man? I think we did our job. This 818 finished up very nice. The Chem91SkunkVa did very nice. We had a purple pheno out the bunch. The Larry OG definitely turned out nice. So the only thing left to do now is hang these ladies upside down. And that's what we have here. A tent full of ladies. So for the next 10 to 15 days, this is where these plants will be drying. And hopefully we end up with some nice flowers. So I think that'll about wrap this harvest video up. So if you're new and it's your first time stopping by the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Definitely leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the grow. I definitely will be updating you guys with the trim video shortly. I appreciate everybody new that has subscribed to the channel and staying locked in. It's Shiesty Grows 420 and I'm out.
just subscribed.